Yes, Azrael. I've almost finished cleaning, and it's no thanks to you. I really hate cleaning, so stop bothering me. Hey, what is this spell book, Azrael? Let's see. Recipe for the cursed elixir of glory. Whoever drinks this potion will be granted with fame and glory for their entire life. Ooh. This is one diabolical potion, Azrael. Yes, that's right. I will finally be seen as the greatest alchemist of all time. Glory will be mine, and then farewell to this wretched hovel. I will be able to live in a castle with dozens of servants at my command. What is it now, Azrael? What? I need Smurfs to make the potion? Curse them! Those wretched Smurfs won't resist me much longer. They'll finally see what I'm made of. Hurry up, you flea bag. We're going on a Smurf hunt.
Let's take a closer look. Am I dreaming? It's really him! Smurf is back! Huh? Smurf is back! Smurf is back!
Who? Smurf? Oh, so he did accept my invitation.
Hey there, Smurf! Hey there, Smurf! Hello!
Come!
Hey there, Smurf!
Hey there, Smurf!
Hey there, Smurf!
Welcome, Smurf. Welcome home, Smurf. It's been a long time since you smurfed to the village. By the way, you've arrived just in time to prepare for the village party.
Excuse me, Papa Smurf, but the preparations are smurfing late. It seems that Clumsy Smurf accidentally smurfed the tent after smurfing on a blueberry pie.
Well, Smurf, I'm counting on you to help us prepare for the party. When you're done, why don't you come see me in my laboratory? I need to smurf you something.
Clumsy Smurf keeps smurfing himself into the bottom of that well. A Smurf needs help right here.
Hey there, Smurf.
What smurfy new invention have you smurfed up, Handy Smurf?
I'm smurfing on a revolutionary means of transportation. You can smurf anywhere with this little gem, and it even has a turbo boost. If you want to give it a smurf, I've set up a training course to see what it can do. If you can prove to me that you can smurf it, then I'll give it to you.
Hey, it's open. Handy Smurf really did a good job with this Smurf way. It's smurfing like a charm. My pants are not here. Laundry Smurf must still have them. the only way to the flowery plains. Carpenter Smurf must really be smurfed out after chopping wood all day. No one.
Wow, you're faster than a speeding Smurf. You've earned the right to keep this Smurf way.
Thank you, Handy Smurf. I'll take good care of it. Don't worry about a Smurf.
One last thing before you Smurf away. You should go see Architect Smurf. I think he has a surprise for you.
Ready to Smurf! This fire truck has saved the village from Smurf catastrophe many times. Come on, faster, you Smurf bag! A Smurf needs help right here.
This wooden Smurf shows the location of your future house. But first, Smurf up all this mess, roll into these crates, and you should be able to Smurf
I'll
them.
Smurf that for you as soon as possible, Architect Smurf. Good thing I have a hard head. Ouch! I think there's a Smurf smurfed inside my shoe. I'm really proud.
Starting from now, if you bring me the right resources, I can Smurf your house. Foundations, I'll need bark and stones.
Ouch! That was nearly a Smurf catastrophe. The Smurf Fire Brigade is as brave as a Smurf. I'd better not disturb Fisher Smurf. He already has enough trouble with Nosy Smurf and Brainy Smurf.
Boom! 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 Bah! Boom! Bah! Boom! 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 Boom!
I hope we're almost there. I hope from the bottom of my Smurf that this is a real present.
Yippee!
Cake. Yummy.
Wow!
Ow! That hurts. Nothing can resist a Smurfy roll. I'd better not disturb Fisher Smurf. He already has enough trouble with Nosy Smurf and Brainy Smurf. Sweepy Smurf has gone to check the village's chimneys. I wonder what new invention Handy Smurf has smurfed up this time. Oh! The current is slipping away! Ah! Smurf, 2, 3, 4, Smurf, 2, 3, 4, Smurf, Smurf, Smurf. Hey, Vanity Smurf, how's it smurfing?
Me? Oh, you know, I'm always feeling great. Here's your delivery, Vanity. Where should I smurf it? Right here would be perfect.
It's not my fault, I swear. It was the masked Smurfer.
No, my beautiful face. Smurf, do you think you could smurf my painting again?
I'm not sure, but I can always give it a try.
Oh, thank you a million Smurfs.
That Smurf needs me. Another successful challenge. That Smurf needs me. I wonder what's inside. Something Smurfs real nice around here. Ouch! I think there's a Smurf smurfed inside my shoe. Ouch! I'll have to Smurf more careful next time. Ah! The Smurf needs help right here. I'm too old to Smurf on a swing. It makes me feel dizzy. Nothing can resist a Smurfy roll. Finally catch my breath. Oh, this is smurfing me out.
Hup. Hup.
I hope we're almost there. This stage deserves a fresh coat of paint. Ouch! That was nearly a Smurf-tastrophe. Handy Smurf really did a good job with this Smurf way. I wonder what new invention Handy Smurf has smurfed up this time. Hey, it's open. Come on, faster, you Smurf bag! Hey, I think I'll go to Taylor Smurf's house to change my outfit. Now that was a Smurf cake. That Smurf needs me. Hey, I think I'll go to Taylor Smurf's house to change my outfit. There's much less waiting at the emergency room.
Hello, Smurf. Do you want me to smurf you some new clothes?
Don't worry about smurfing any. Mine already fit me like a Smurf.
Do you by any chance have any cotton in your Smurf? I need some to smurf this banner.
I'll smurf you some. Count on me. As Brainy Smurf says, if you value your eardrums, it's best not to smurf next to Harmony Smurf for too long. Something smurfs real nice around here. All this sarsaparilla is making me hungry. No, I love walking through Smurf flower fields. Perfect timing. I just needed some cotton. Let's go! Come on, faster, you Smurf bag! The passage of the Smurf River is the only way to the Plains. Ouch! I think there's a Smurf smurfed inside my shoe. Perfect timing. I just needed some cotton. Handy Smurf really did a good job with this Smurf way. Ouch! I'll have to smurf more careful next time. like a charm. I love walking through Smurf flower fields. All this sarsaparilla is making me hungry. Taking a while to dry. I hope we're almost there. Ready to Smurf. Hey, it's not me. I didn't do anything. Hey, I think I'll go to Taylor.
Great, you smurfed some cotton. I thank you ever so much. I'll finally be able to finish this banner for the village
The
party.
pleasure is all mine, Taylor Smurf.
Wait, as a reward, here's a brand new magnificent outfit just for you. Come back to me if you come across other resources. I might be able to make something with them.
This is where clumsy Smurf and sickly Smurf Smurf most of their time. Come on, faster, you Smurf bag! Sweepy Smurf has gone to check the village's chimneys. Carpenter Smurf must really be smurfed out after chopping wood all day. Usually I like music, but for once, I don't really smurf it. That Smurf needs me. Now that was a Smurf. The show is going to be great. The Smurfs have been rehearsing for Smurfs. Oh, hazelnuts. Come on, faster, you Smurf bag! Hey, it's not me. I didn't do anything. Ouch! You'll have to Smurf more careful next time.
Yippee!
The nest is empty. I should call the storks. You never know. Let's go! Hi, Flying Smurf. Isn't the wind too smurfy for kite flying? It's smurfing like a charm. Something Smurfs delicious around here. This fire truck has saved the village from Smurf catastrophe many times. Looks like baby Smurf has thrown another tantrum.
Hello, Smurf. How's it smurfing?
I'm smurfing well, Smurfette. I'm smurfing around the village to see if anyone needs help.
I've got so much work to do with my bouquets. It would be really smurfy of you if you could take care of baby Smurf for me.
Now that was a Smurf of a cake. Looks like baby Smurf has thrown another tantrum. I hope we're almost there. Ready to smurf. Watch out! Let me smurf! Grouchy Smurf isn't here. He's probably gone to... another successful challenge. Grouchy Smurf isn't here. He's probably gone to spread good cheer at the party area. And nothing can resist a Smurfy roll. It's smurfing like a charm. Watch out! Let me smurf! Something smurfs delicious around here. Carpenter Smurf must really be smurfed out after chopping wood all day. We're almost there. This is where Miller Smurf works. We can smurf bread and cakes thanks to him. Ouch! I'll have to smurf more careful next time. Smurf, 2, 3, 4, Smurf, 2, 3, 4, Smurf, 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 right, Smurf. That Smurf needs me.
Yippee!